Hey, what's up guys? It's Mr. Yang. So the iPhone 10's about to come out.
Best friend and we've got some things to do.
Well, before you buy that super expensive iPhone 10, learn how to say these apps names first. Let's go. Application terms. Insta. Instagram. You bet. The correct way to say it is Instagram.
Instagram.
And is short for Instagram. But if you're really that lazy, it's IG. iPhoneX 是 念愛瘋叉嗎 Get your ass out of my face. The X is the Roman numeral for 10. So it's iPhone 10.
iPhone 10.
Notable apps. Twitter. WeChat. App. 好傻啊你 It's app. Skype. 你有用 Skype 嗎？所以還有人用 Skype 嗎？ Why do people always have to stress that P? 屁啦，懂讀的 It's Skype. I believe I can fly. 愛吞噬，懂讀的 Just split the I and the tunes. It's iTunes. 微博有英文嗎？ Believe it or not, it's Weibo. Google, Gago. No. The correct way to say it is Google. Airbung. A lot of people get confused when they see that little N between the B's. The N actually means and, so it's Airbnb. I believe I can fly. Notable apps. Facebook. 支付寶 Alipay. WhatsApp. What's app? 懂讀的 WhatsApp. Alright, there you have it. Go and practice these brand names before you buy your iPhone 10. 我是明明可以靠脸的，但偏偏不要脸的 Mr. Yang。
无法识別。
唉，成個傻仔咁嘅。
開機咋？